How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a quick overview of the Makita brushless deep cut bandsaw. This kit was very expensive. It was like $750. I'll put what I paid for it somewhere in this video right here. Yeah, very expensive, and it only comes with a 3-year warranty. So the purpose of this video, what we're going to do, we're basically going to show you guys what you guys get when you buy the kit. We're going to show the tool in use, go over the specs, and we'll end the video there. So I will quit yapping, we'll get straight to it. Go ahead and pause this and look over this information. This is all of the specs for the Makita. Alright, so when you buy the Makita kit, this is not everything because I can't fit it all on, but we'll go over everything. This is the bandsaw itself. So you get, like I said, you get the tool, you get a 4.0 40 volt lithium ion max battery, followed by the battery charger. There's all the different light patterns you can get. With this charger, it does lock the batteries on there, so it will not slide off. The only way to take the battery off is to actually hit the button on the battery itself, which I like. And a free blade. Not free. Gotta quit saying free. You pay for all of it, especially with this one. With the, I'm gonna say insanely high price tag, but that's just me. Yeah, just a blade. So after all that, you get this handy carrying bag, I guess I should say. Alright, so like I said, you got your carrying handle right there. And then you got your carry handles right here, that Velcro. You got a pocket up here. Pocket right there with a zip up pocket on this side. And there on the bottom, you got some reinforced bars across there. I mean, honestly, overall, I like the carrying bag more than the tool. That might be my new duffel bag I take to work with me. Alright, so that covers everything that is included when you buy the kit. Alright, so right out of the gate, we're just going to go over all the features the bandsaw has. Right here, you have an LED light, followed by your rafter hanger, is what I'm going to call it, or just hanger. You got 2 different positions. 1, 2. Alright, followed by that, you have your guide right here, which is adjustable with a Allen head, Allen wrench, whatever you want to call it. So you can slide that up and down. And right here is your blade tension. This is how you put your blade on and off. Followed by right here, you have your different speed selections. This is also a variable trigger as well. But then you also have different speed selections you can do right there. We get to the back, nothing really going on down here. Buttons right there to lift up your back. This right here is just some real cheap plastic, flimsy, which I am not a huge fan of. Oh, also, before I get too carried away. So like I said, you can adjust your guide right here with Allen heads, with an Allen wrench, and it comes with one. It's tucked away right there. Also, you have your blade tension screw right there, which also takes the same Allen head, so you can adjust the tension, make it tighter or looser. This right here, it just basically engages and disengages your blade, so you can change it out. To put the blade on the bandsaw, what you're going to do is you're going to keep this in the upright position, turn it around, hit your 2 tabs right there. So what I like to do, you should probably have gloves on as you do this as well, but you know, do as I say, not as I do. Just get it wrapped around one wheel. Same as the other. And grab your blade and bend it to go into the rollers. It's right there, and kind of go around, make sure you're not sticking out too far past your wheel. So that's on there. Close the back. After you turn it around, go ahead and tighten your wheel down. So like I said, that moves this disc back here, makes it tight, puts tension on the blade. then once that is done, I like to put it in your lowest setting right here. Real slow, move that blade around. Just like that. All right, we'll show it in use and then go from there. All right, here we're gonna be cutting some 1 5/8 Unistrut using the Makita on speed setting number 1. Did not like that there towards the end, but it's probably an operator error. All right, here we're going to be cutting some 1-inch galvanized piping with the Makita on the slowest speed setting, which is number 1. Here we're going to be cutting some 4-inch PVC with the Makita on the highest speed setting, which is 6. All right, here we have some 3/4 inch all thread. We're going to be using it and showing the Makita cutting through it. This is going to be the lowest setting, so setting number 1 for the Makita. Okay, so you guys have seen the Makita in use. Let me know what your guys' thoughts and opinions are on it, what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, if you'll get one or if you won't. But before you guys do decide, here in a couple weeks I plan on coming out with a video where I'm comparing, I think, 6 or 7 different deep cut bandsaws, basically all the ones I could find and purchase. There's really not that many options out there that I've found. But I'm hoping that will come out in 2 weeks. That is going to vary greatly depending on my work schedule and what happens with between now and then. But with that being said, if you guys have any recommendations on tests you want to see me do to compare these tools, let me know in the comments and I'll get those added to my list. So I think I'll end the video there. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.